In this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat application and there at the bottom toolbar hit Add Chats icon to open up your conversations list. Now from here you can hold down on the conversation that you want to block. It gives you that options, and here just tap at Manage Friendship and there you can tap at Block to actually block that specific person. Also, you can block person from conversation. Just hit add person's name right there at the top, then tap at three dots icon, there select Manage Friendship, and from here you can also hit add block, and there it says are you sure you want to block that person. To confirm blocking, hit add block. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.